All my guys running PRS and NRL using Eagle Ballistics, when you build your stages, you guys know how to do that, hopefully. I'm going to leave stage 4 as it is, and what I want you to show you is I have target 1 almost north, target 2 is over here, target 3 is over here, target 4 is this way, and then target 5 is almost 180 degrees. So I've got all these different targets, or I got 5 targets on this one stage. And I'm leaving the wind variance off because I just want to concentrate on what's going on down here. And you can see the holds are pretty much all the same because all the targets are 1,000 yards. And that's because on every target the wind's coming from 9 o'clock. So here's what I want you to do. Go to devices, you are going to connect the ultrasonic wind meter, the calypso. Remember, non-AB, make sure it's not the applied ballistics model. At that point, I want to turn on relative to true north. Literally take it, it's sitting right there, face it north, and then leave it alone. At this point, go to the HUD, click on meter mode, and go to the gear in the upper left, and I want you to turn on relative wind. And what I want you to notice now is the wind's actually coming from about 12:30 on target 1 because target 1 is facing that way. But on target 2, the wind's coming from 10 o'clock. Target 3, it's coming from 8:30. You can see it progressing. Target 5, the wind's coming from my 6 o'clock. So now it's doing everything it's supposed to be doing properly. Remember, in devices, connect it relative to true north, set the calypso north, and leave it alone for that stage, all right? And then go in your app and turn on relative wind. At this point, just leave it alone. I leave the highlighted box on target 1, and then target 2 is here, target 3 is here. Just leave it alone. There's all your wind holds, and if I put in a variance, like 2 mile an hour, there's your high and low wind holds. And you can see even the dial-ups are changing a little bit, and that's because of aerodynamic jump crosswinds. So again, simple. Connect it, turn on relative to true north, set the calypso north, leave it alone, go to the gear in the upper left and see relative wind, turn it on, and then you are golden. Aim the compass or the rangefinder at the intended target, hit set, leave the highlighted box on target 1, and then you are good. As you shoot and transition through all those targets, that's giving you the correct wind hold for that target, okay? All right, hopefully this makes sense. Have a great day and good luck.